Let's go back and apply these rules to number 1 will be the first one that I do. So here's what we have. Y is greater than or equal to negative 5 halves x minus 5. Okay, that's in slope-intercept form already. And we want to graph the y-intercept first of negative 5. And then our slope is negative 5 halves, so I want to rise negative 5, run 2. Now notice, if I start at that y-intercept of negative 5, that goes off the grid. So you might want to think of it as a positive 5 over a negative 2, and I want to rise positive 5 and run negative 2, which puts me right there. And this would be a solid boundary line because of this. So we're going to draw a solid line. And y is greater than or equal to, so that tells me I want to shade above, and that's got negative slope, so above the line would be here if it's got negative slope. Okay, let's go to another rules. If you need to pause this to write these down, you can do that. But linear inequality rules, the dash line is when there's no equal to underneath your greater than or less than sign. And if there is an equal under there, it's going to be a solid boundary line. The shading rules for shading above or below the line, if y is bigger or bigger than or equal to mx plus b, you shade above. If y is smaller or less than or equal to, you shade below. So let's go back. And we are going to go to number 9. So let's look at number 9 here. Okay, y is less than negative 2x minus 5. Okay, we want, that's in slope-intercept form. We might want to put our negative 2 over 1 for our slope. So we're going to plot our y-intercept of negative 5. Our slope is negative 2, so notice if I rise negative 2, it goes off the grid, run 1 to the right. You can either extend the grid, put a point there, or go up 2, left 1. And because these are closer together, I'm going to do a few of these, repeat my slope. This would be a dashed line, or dotted, some people say. So we want to draw a dashed line here. And y is less than, so I want to shade below. So below would be over on this side.